This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fold seats in your Chrysler Pacifica. First, ensure your vehicle is parked safely and the engine is off. We'll cover both the second row stow and go seats and the third row seats, showing you how to transform your passenger van into a spacious cargo hauler with ease. Get ready to maximize your Pacifica's versatility. To fold the second row stow and go seats, begin by moving the front seats fully forward to create necessary clearance. Next, locate the floor cover directly in front of the second row seat and lift it to expose the storage well. Then, pull the two clearly numbered straps on the seat in sequence, guiding the seat smoothly into the floor compartment until it locks flat. For the third row seats, first make sure the entire cargo area behind them is completely clear of any items. Locate the two straps on the back of the seat, typically labeled with numbers 1 and 2. Pull these straps in the correct order, allowing the seat to pivot and fold down flat into the rear storage well. This creates a large, level loading surface. Remember to always remove any personal items or floor mats from the seats before attempting to fold them. Once both the second and third rows are stowed, your Pacifica offers an impressive amount of flat cargo space, perfect for hauling larger items. This easy-to-use system provides incredible flexibility for both passengers and cargo.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.